just need to show that it works. We just need to show them the things on. We just need to show them it's on. Do I close it?
Whatever you want.
I'll close it. Can I close it? Yes?
Yes, whatever you want.
Wait, are you already videotaping? Do I just drop it?
Try out.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, does it work now? How many drops does it take to actually break?
1,000.
Let's see.
Alright, let's do another one.
You're playing bowling with it.
Let's check it out.
There's scripts right here.
Of course, you play bowling.
But it works. It's on.
Hey.
Let's try one more time. Behind the back. Can I shoot it like a basketball?
Try.
The leg. No way, it turned on.
Let me see. Let's see.
My
Let's
turn,
see.
Bob.
Show him. It's turning. No way, even the basketball didn't work. Alright, let's close it up and do it. Wait, let's try open. It's still on.
It's water resistant.
In the ring.
It's true. Oh,
Wow.
you're kidding me. Does that say on? It's on. Wow.
Oof, that was a. Oof.
That might do it.
Yeah.
Wait, will it turn on though? It might turn on, you never know.
Eh.
I broke it.
Wait, hold on. This thing might.
Oh, wow.
Woo.
You're joking.
Wow. Look at
Still
that.
on. Wait for it. It's still on. It's still on. Watch it. I'm taking you down.
Wait. Maybe we can roll it. I can roll it.
Roll it.
Roll it.
Hold on, we need one more outside one.
Maybe a car can.
No way.
Maybe a car can break it.
It still works. That gotta do it. That gotta do it. Let's see.
Can I smack? Can I like go like this?
This thing is undistracted. That's the. Let's see it.
Behind the QR code.
No, it still works. Let's check this out. Hold up. It still works. Wait. Throw it, yeah.
Wait, Mama, I'll hit you in the face.
No way. Does it still work? In the snow.
No, please.
Hey, it's working. Let's see.
Still works.
Wait.
I got a perfect.
Let me see, Kylie.
Show the white part. It still works.
You're not even acting normal. Dale.
Does it still work, people? It works. No. Yeah, I think we took.
Turned on them.
I mean, it's breaking, but it still works. You know what? That's gone.
Inside.
It's gone. More. It still works.
Can that crash it?
Yeah, I mean, it lights up.
Let's see. Let's repair it.
Okay.
Center. Do you think this has a solution? You think we can repair it? Yay! Yay! They can fix it! Woohoo!
That was like the funnest thing. My shoe!
And you actually think this is ever replaceable?
Yeah, I've seen worse.
Whoa!